Hey guys, back out in the bush again, doing another solo overnight camp. Let's get into it. Hopefully I can get this tent set up before the rain really starts picking up. Tarp set up and the tent set up, so that's shelter sorted. I'm gonna get on firewood soon, but I need a break. I'm a bit tired. But yeah, shelter's pretty good. I got the tarp up to create more of an awning for under the tent, so I'm not like cramped in the tent. I can stand up under here, so that's good. I maybe should have put it a bit more forward, so there was a bit more of an awning out here, but I'm not too bothered. It'll suffice for tonight's camp. We have had a little bit of a couple of showers today, and it's supposed to pick up in the night, I think, so that'll be good. Listening to the rain on the tent, looking forward to it. So yeah, plan is just to have a fire out front here and yeah, cook some food and have a good time. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll give you guys a bit of a close-up of the tarp setup. So, running over to that tree there, we have a bow line, or a running bow line. Comes along here, we've got prussiks with an arrow shaft toggle on them. And then over here we've got a taut line hitch around this tree fin here. We go around the back. We've got it running down here. I've got that tie out there, just out to that tree there. Give us a bit more room. The middle here isn't doing much. Alright, well the middle here is tied on down to here, but it's obviously not doing much right now. We've got it staked out there and over there. We don't need that middle tie out, so yeah, it doesn't do a whole lot, so we'll just leave it for now. I bring my rain poncho as well, and I think I'm going to lay it out on the ground here under the tarp and just in the vestibule of the tent, sorry. We have a peg here for the side of the vestibule, and we've got the hood here on the poncho, so I think I'm going to open this up. It's tied up from the last time I used it, which was my minimal overnighter that I did. If you guys haven't seen that, yeah, you can go check it out. It was a pretty cool trip. Anyway, I'm going to open up the hood here, and I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull that out of the ground, lay that over top, and peg the vestibule through the hood hole. Stomp that down. Pull that closed, and there we go. Now I can spread the poncho up. the weather's packing in a little bit. I've just sorted out all my stuff, got it all under the shelter, all out of the rain and everything, and just got my sleeping gear and stuff out. I haven't got it like laying out or anything, but just out of the pack. This is my sleeping bag. It's in the compression sack, which you would have seen in probably the last overnighter that I did. But yeah, also keep it in the dry sack, especially when it's raining. So it's just in the dry bag inside its compression sack, and it's just so when it's raining it won't get wet. Kind of obvious, but just always a good idea to do with just a plastic bag or something. But yeah, I'll go get firewood soon. I'm hiking along the trail, guys, just trying to find some firewood. Not having a whole load of luck. This area is pretty heavily used. Yeah, and dead standing wood is not the easiest to come by. I've just found a piece here now. Obviously not the biggest, but around here I'll take what I can get. So pretty sure it is dead. Yeah. Yep, she's dead. So let's take this guy down. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, that'll do quite nicely. Yep, I'm not gonna complain about that. Let's just get it out of here. Alright. Choice. When you find stuff hung up in other trees is always a nice find, because it's pretty much going to be dry. Found some dig full. It's actually seriously dry right under this tree fern. Like the ground is completely dry. So that's a good find. It's a good find. Whew. Alright, got some wood. Now I gotta go back and grab that first piece that I got. And I gotta go find my saw and gloves and everything. Oh, man, you really warm up doing this. Alright, be back soon. Rain's picking up, guys, so I'm gonna get this firewood sawn up and just in there so it's out of the way, out of the rain. Go quickly. Get it all sawn up roughly. Get it under the tarp here. Any of the small twigs, break off and throw under the shelter as well. Rain's coming down now. I managed to gather up a whole bunch more of small twigs. Got a whole load there which I'm just gonna process up, or snap up I guess. And when this rain dies down, probably get the fire lit. If the rain dies down. It's pretty dark, I do apologise. The lighting under the tarp isn't exactly the best. It's going to be pretty grainy, sorry guys, I bumped up the ISO so hopefully you can see, but you might have noticed, got a new sheath for my tracker. Real high quality. It's made by Mountaineer Leatherworks. You can check him out on Instagram. I'll leave his link below, but yeah, it's a real awesome sheath. Ferro rod loop. It's got straps for horizontal carry, front and back. Dangler, which is removable, and a normal belt loop, and also a button snap retention strap to hold it in case it should fall out. But the fit's really good. I didn't even have to send my knife to him. I just gave him some measurements. It fits like a glove, it's perfect. So I'm really happy with it and looking forward to giving it some more use. Got the fire lit, guys. It's roaring now. Wood's a bit wet, but it's big enough now that it should just start drying it out. It's going pretty good. So if you didn't see, I made some feather sticks and just one match. Got it up and going easy as. No worries. Alright guys, so I'm just chilling here by the fire. Got some water on the boil for dinner. Dinner is pretty simple. I got this 3-minute pasta cheese thing and can of chicken. So yeah, rain's picking up a little bit. fire's hissing away. I'm just waiting for the water now. Cheers guys, rain's picked up. That's pretty good. It's chicken with mayo and cheesy pasta. Bit of a weird combo, but it's actually pretty good. I am so warm. I've changed into my thermals, long johns and thermal top, and I'm just cooking. Yeah, I've let the fire go out now guys, and crawled inside the tent. Gotta set up all my sleeping gear and stuff. Couple of bugs in here, just from having the zipper open and stuff. I'll get rid of them. Time for bed. Morning. Rain's died off a bit now. A couple of bugs flying around outside the tent, but it's all good. I'm about to get up. Not going to bother with a fire this morning guys. I've got a little gas cooker which I'll use. I've had my cup here full of water, filled it up from the stream down there. Just had it soaking, and I'm going to clean it out now. Get rid of past the gunk, and then probably get a hot chocolate on the go. Cheers guys. Oh. It was pretty humid last night. It was not cold at all. So I left the vestibule door open here just to let more air flow into the tent. I didn't need it closed because the tarp was protecting me from any rain. So yeah, it worked pretty well. Didn't have any condensation issues either. So that was good. But man, it was humid. I can see all sandflies and everything else flying up there. It's supposed to be winter. It's time to cook up some bacon. I didn't bring a pan or anything. I'm just going to use the gas cooker again. So I'm going to try cooking in my canteen cup. Do a bit of canteen cup cooking, if you will. Alright. No idea how this is going to go, but we're going to try it anyway. We'll go on a lower heat. Canteen cup on there. Yep. Alright, she's steaming away. I don't want to burn the bottom of my pot, so I'm just going to have to do one piece at a time here. I got the heat real low. And just slowly cooking the bacon. It's working alright. Obviously a pan would work better, but that's alright. So I've only cooked up 2 pieces of bacon. It takes quite a while, and 2 pieces of bacon is better than no pieces of bacon, so can't really complain. That is some good bacon. Makes me want to cook up the other 2 pieces, but I should probably start packing up and get out of here soon. I think it's supposed to start picking up raining again. I think the rain's supposed to pick up again soon. So hopefully I can get everything packed away before that happens. Yeah. And we're off. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a great time. If you have any comments, feedback or suggestions, feel free to leave them down below. Cheers guys, I'll see you in the next video.